Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a Myntra haul. It's been a long time जब से मैंने haul नहीं किया, तो it's that time of the year. इसमें मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें order करी थी. आधी चीज़ तो मैंने return भी डाल दी क्योंकि the product was not giving, and yeah, the products were. Girls, say hi to girls. So yeah, the products were like very bad of quality. और कुछ product हैं जो मेरे पास अभी भी हैं जिनकी quality मुझे अच्छी लगी, and I'm gonna review it for you all. I have ordered from clothes section, I have ordered from skincare section, from perfume section, and yeah, from accessories. You know what I'm wearing? She ordered a lot. So let's get started.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So first thing I want to show is this. It's Illuminate Hydra Gel Moisturizer from Aqualogica. It has wild berries and alpha arbutin. Also, it has hyaluronic acid. This shit is pretty damn cute. It's very lightweight. It's very quick absorbent, you know. The packaging is really cute. It moisturizes your skin for 24 hours. At least it claims that. I don't think so, you know. I think this moisturizes your skin enough. I love this moisturizer. I don't use this on my face. इन्होंने claim करा है कि oily और कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप के लिए है, विच इज ट्रू. आई थिंक ड्राई स्किन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, बट यू नो इसे लगा के आपके शरीर में एक शीन सी आ जाती है. यू लुक अ लिटिल ग्लोई. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम गोना repurchase it again, but let me just finish it. I'm gonna give you all my thoughts. The next product from Aqualogica again. I have ordered their Radiance Dewy Sunscreen. It has watermelon and niacinamide. It has SPF 50 with PA of 3 pluses. It is really, what do you call it? Quick absorbent. It is very lightweight. It is very hydrating. The packaging is quite cute. I actually wanted to try something else rather than my old fucking sunscreen. I have used a lot of sunscreens, and this time I thought, let's give it a try. What they claim? I mean, it's a sunscreen. क्या ही claim करेगा? सन से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा ना. स्टार्ट करो. तो yes, I have ordered this, and I'll give you all my thoughts and opinions on this once I'll use it. The packaging is quite cute. I mean, look at this. These look quite similar to me. They're from the same family. I mean, Aqualogica. You get it. From Aqualogica again, I've got their Illuminate Plus Milk Fluid Moisturizer. I mean, the moisturizer is really fucking pretty. Packaging is so damn cute. It looks like popsicle. Not like popsicle. It looks like ice cream to me. ऐसा लगता है कि ये packaging अच्छी है तो क्या पता प्रोडक्ट अच्छा ना हो, बट नो, द प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी नाइस. द पैकेजिंग दिस द माउथ ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, तुम अपने उससे मेजर कर सकते हो कि कितना प्रोडक्ट तुमको चाहिए. तो इट्स वेरी क्यूट, एंड इससे मेसी भी नहीं होगा प्रोडक्ट. सो I like this, and I like the formula. It's very hydrating, it's very lightweight, it's very creamy, and yeah, that's all what I like. So next is from Bath and Body Works. I've got this. It is in the variant Into the Night. I have इसका दूसरा वाला version जो है शायद Into the Star. Perfume is very nice. That always got me complimented, you know. It's a day to night perfume, but I think this, it's very sexy. It's very sexy. It's sweet. It's sexy. It's a nice fucking perfume. This reminds me of Zara ka Golden Decade. It's very similar to that, and the Zara ka Golden Decade is similar to YSL Libres, and I don't know. Bitch, I love it. Bitch, I don't know. I love it, and I don't care if anyone says otherwise. If you want to smell like a sexy, bougie, slutty bush, get this. Mists are not like very long lasting, but I think I can vouch for this. This lasts on me for 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. So yeah, this is really nice. You can get this. It's very affordable. Not like affordable. If you want to get it on sale. Because real price is like like 2,000 or 2,500. But if you want to get it on sale. Myntra, Nykaa, Amazon, kahin pe bhi, you'll get this cheaper. I think Amazon or Nykaa pe, I don't know, but Myntra pe or Amazon pe, you'll get this cheaper. And yeah, this is really nice. You can get this. Next is accessories. So first one is the shit I am wearing. This is really nice. This is for men. They sell it for men, but I don't think jewelry, perfume, clothes, and anything in the world had gender. If you like it, just wear it. I have got this. It's from the brand Salty, and it is like a rabbit astronaut. I don't know how to describe this, but quality is okay. I think if we are talking about in men's jewelry, हम पे वैसे भी options नहीं है. So जिसमें है जितने हैं उसमें खुश रहो. This is for 500 and if you are getting this for 500, kudos to you. I'm not gonna get this on 500. So I have got it around 250 क्योंकि sale था. Next are these jorts. ये बहुत cool लगे थे मुझे just because of these. They're from the brand The Indian Garage Co. लिखा हुआ quality good. Okay, sir. So yeah, I've got this in black color. The quality of the fabric is quite good for the price you're paying. In the shade like charcoaly black. It's not properly black, but it's like charcoaly black. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm keeping this for myself. Another jorts. Another jorts I've ordered are these. These are the jorts from brand Cook and Keech. I don't know, they're fine, but I think the length is quite big for me. I like the jorts जो मेरे knee से थोड़े से नीचे आते हैं, but they are like three-fourth of my leg. Bitch, these are just big, but I don't think these are baggy enough for me, और इसकी length भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Bitch, I'm a short fucking guy, so I need my clothes to be, fitted, to be exact size that I want.
And
So a month ago, I've joined gym, और तब मैंने ये वाले shoes लिए थे. These are from the brand called HRX. Guys, the quality is amazing. Don't mind अगर ये नीचे से गंदा भी हो रहा है तो. I've been wearing this for like a month, but these are like very comfortable. Hug your feet like anything. It's very comfortable. इसके अंदर cushioning भी है. You can see. The design is quite cute. I mean, if you're ordering just for the gym, amazing. Bitch, I'm sweating like fucking pussy bitch. The gym, I think they're quite sturdy. They are like quite lightweight and they're like very cute. If you are just joining gym and you want a pair of shoes for gym, just get these. I've got this. It's from the brand, I think ऐसे ही कुछ pronounce करेंगे. UNRL is like Unreal. तो इस brand का मेरे पे पहले भी एक चीज़ था. I mean यही था but in a different color और different pattern में पीछे. Pattern तो क्या ही बोलेंगे, different print में. This is in the shade, no, I'm not saying it's black, but it is black kind of. It's kind of navy bluish. It's kind of grayish. तो black के tone में ही जा रहा है. So I'm gonna call this a black. Very nice. I mean, you'll look cute. If you are getting this, just know इसका size बड़ा ही आएगा. This is in the size XS. Yes, this is what I've ordered. So the last thing I've got are these. So these are from H&M. I think they look quite trendy. इसमें एक दूसरा frame भी था जो आजकल बहुत trending है, the oval shape I think. But I don't know, I think उनको मेरे face पे वो shape अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I've got these. Quality is okay-ish. You're paying 700 I think for these. That price range, it's okay, it's cute. I have kept these for myself. These are very trending, very off-duty model coded, like Bella Hadid, very Hailey Bieber coded. And yes, that's it for this video. We are ending this video with nothing but some blessing from God. I am gonna see you in the next one. Do let me know what do you want me to try in the next fucking videos. So love ya. Ew, love ya, girl. Who even are you? I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this channel. If you like me, great. If you don't, girl, what are you doing here? Just go away, watch something else. Just block this channel and yeah, do a little prayer and yeah, sleep. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.